Hello, welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to share my experience about when I try to import to the Item Reclass Journal. The unit measure is using the purchase unit measure instead the base unit measure. I'll show you how. So this is the item card, item bicycle. The base unit measure is pieces, while the purchase unit measure is pallet. And when I try to input the item reclassification journal manually, and the unit of measure is pieces. So by default, it is using the base unit of measure. Okay, this is the configuration worksheet. I'll show you the fields included. There are 5 fields. I already import the fields item number and entry type like this. So, and let's try. This is my Excel file. Like this, and then try to import the Excel files. Okay, import, and then I will apply data. Okay, so let's check to the item reclassification journal. Yeah, like this one. You can see that the second line of using the import data, the unit of measure code is pallet, which is the purchase unit of measure. Why? Yeah, because as you can see here, the fields, the entry type is after you validating the item number, and because by default the entry type is purchase, not reclass. That's why when you validating the item number, the unit of measure code used is the purchase unit of measure instead of the base unit of measure. I'll show you. This is the field properties of the table item journal lines. So we can see here that the option string is purchase as the first value. So this is by default. When you have not input anything, the entry type is always purchase. That's why. So you, and then in Item Reclass Journal page, there is a code on, there's a trigger on your record. When you input something on your record, then the entry type is set to transfer. So you have the clue. So we must change this order. Yeah, fortunately we have this new field, the processing order. So the order here is using the order of the table. But when we try to import into the table using this order, it will be a mess. So we can change, luckily we can change the order. So we want the entry type to before the item number. So we can click here and then click move up until before the item number like this. Okay, and then we try to export the template to the Excel. I already exported like this one, entry type before the item number with the line number of 30,000. And then I try to re-import again using the revised Excel templates. This one, R1. Okay. And then I apply that data directly with this. Okay, it's table is already inserted. We can refresh. That's voila. We can have the information, the correct information using the question of measure. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye. Have a nice day.